This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the project folder in VS Code and confirming Node.js is installed. This gets you straight into action. Once done, set a breakpoint by clicking in the gutter next to a line with console. Log so VS Code knows where to pause. Make sure you have a launch. JSON auto-generated or use the Run and Debug panel to create a Node.js configuration. This tells VS Code how to start your app and attach the debugger. Now you configure and execute the debugging session so you can inspect behavior. Create or edit launch. JSON to point the program to your entry file and set CWD. This ensures modules resolve correctly. Start debugging with F5 and VS Code will launch Node and pause at your breakpoint. While paused, examine variables and watch, step through with F10 or F11, and observe the debug console output to understand state. Finally, you iterate until the bug is fixed by inspecting state and trying small changes. You step over to skip helpers and step into to probe functions. Add conditional breakpoints when you need specific circumstances to pause. Make use of log points to print values without editing source. If the session won't start, check the debug console errors, confirm the Node version matches expectations, and verify program path in launch. JSON, those checks fix most startup problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.